It's 2025 and you are still using detergents to wash your car. Hey, my people, you are getting it all wrong. So making car wash is as easy as ABC. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this thick and foamy car wash from the comfort of my home. So if you are interested, just stick around as I will be sharing with you the step-by-step process. I'll be pouring in my 10 liters of water because I'm making use of 10 liters of water for this production. So I'm pouring it into my bowl. Use a bigger bowl. In a separate bowl, you add a little water and add your soda ash to it. Make sure you stir it till it dissolves. In a separate bowl, you add water and then you add your SLS to it. Yes, your SLS. That's your number 3 ingredient. So this has a kind of a rice texture. It looks like rice. So make sure you stir properly after adding it. Don't just let it sit like that. Make sure you stir till it becomes foamy, just like what you're seeing here. So once we are done with that, we will be adding our number 1 ingredient to the main bowl, which is our Nitrosol. Make sure you keep stirring as you are pouring to help prevent it from getting lump and all of that. You just want a smooth consistency. So keep stirring and keep pouring. So once you feel everything is well combined, you go ahead and add your mixed soda ash, just like what I'm doing, and keep stirring. Make sure, like every process you are doing, every stage, you need to stir before you add the next ingredient. You understand? To help prevent any lump from showing. It will help you have a good consistency, a good and a smooth consistency. So keep stirring at every process. So next, once you feel you are okay with that, you go ahead and add your mixed SLS. You can see the SLS is as smooth, so you keep on stirring as you are pouring. So next, we're adding our Texapon to it and stir. Make sure you keep stirring. I'm just emphasizing on this stirring part. So you have a good consistency, just like my stir, as if your life depends on it. So now we'll be adding our sulfonic acid. I will be listing the how many liters I use, how many ml I use. So as you are pouring, you keep stirring. As you are pouring, you are stirring. You understand? So that's how you can have a good consistency. The Texapon and the sulfonic acid helps to bind and thicken your car wash. As you can see, it's getting thicker and I'm stirring and I'm turning it. Yes, because this part now you need to turn it. It's not as thick as I want now. So I still have a long way to go. So I need to stir. If you have machine for this, you can use it. It's easier. But I don't have, so I prefer I'm doing it manually. It's not that I prefer doing it manually. It's that I don't have the machine. So I'm doing it manually just for home use. So I'm not doing a kind of a big production. It's just for my personal use. And I don't think I need it like for now. So once you start seeing something like this, yeah, you're almost ready. You can see how thick it is inside. Yes, you are almost ready. So I'll be making use of my preservative here. I'll be making use of formalin for this video. You can use any preservative of your choice. This makes the car wash to stay longer. So up next is our Glycerin. This helps to retain moisture and also aid in grease removal. So as you can see, I'm still stirring. So anytime you add any ingredient, you stir. One mistake I do see some people make is adding their powdered color to their production. This will actually it will leave with lumps. So the best way to do is to add it with water, dissolve it with water first before adding it to your production, just like what I'm doing. So for this video, I requested for a blue color, and with what I was saying here, it wasn't giving me blue, it was just giving me too light, or will I say it's not giving the blue I requested for. And I don't have any option than to keep stirring and stir. So the last on our list is our perfume. So I requested for a chewing-gum like fragrance. So you can use any fragrance of your choice. You can use strawberry, you can use lavender. So it all depends on you. And make sure you stir, just like what I'm saying. So at this point, you can still adjust. If you feel it's too thick, you can add little water, depending on how watery or thick you want it. So me, I don't want it watery, I want it thick, so I'm not adding any water to it. So that is just that. As you can see, the blue is coming out a little, but I'm still not yet satisfied. So once you're done with this process, you just need to cover it and let it sit for some hours. But for me, I prefer it to stay for the next day, which is 24 hours. Then I will show you the results. So this is it after 24 hours. Wow, like I'm so happy. I never knew the color comes out like this. This blue, you can see the consistency, so thick, just like the way I wanted. You can see how it is, very clear, thick, no lump, nothing. Oh girl. Don't mind me. So if you want to achieve something like this, just follow my procedure. You will achieve this. You can get this. You can do this from the comfort of your home, and most especially make sure you do this outdoor. Don't do it inside your house, because here we are making use of chemical here. So this is me putting it in my gallon to know how many it fetched me, because from the beginning I used 10 liters of water for this. So you can see how foamy this is. Even after using water, it still comes out foamy. So if you want your car wash to be this foamy, thick and outstanding, and a car wash that can wash your car very well, you can actually save this video. Send it to those people that still use detergents to wash their car. I made this with 6,000 naira. Yes, and it fetched me over 10 liters of water. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.